Hello, ma'am and sir. Have a nice day. My name is Lorna Garcia from Philippines, 43-year-old, married. I have 2 kids. I'm a high school graduate, Catholic religion, and my husband is farmer. Ma'am, sir, I have experience before in Manila, last 2005 until 2013, ma'am, sir. I serve for people, my mom and sir, and newborn baby and a 5-year-old boy. And mom, sir, I can do all the house cleaning, like cleaning the house, washing, cooking, washing the dishes, washing the clothes, ironing, and sometimes I play the kids, and I pick up in sending the boy in the school, and I can teach him has assignment, and I can help him for take a bath and prepare breakfast in his uniform. And mom, sir, the second experience is in Abu Dhabi, UAE, last 2015 until 2018. I served as seven people, my mom and sir, and their parents, and the 3 children, 10-year-old boy, and 8 years old girl, and 6 years old girl. Mom, sir, my duties and responsibilities are taking care of the kids, and sending and pick up the children in the school, preparing breakfast and dinner, and preparing uniform. I can do cleaning, ironing, washing the clothes, washing the dishes, washing the car. I go to the market and cooking and play the kids and helping the kids for taking a bath and helping for their assignments, ma'am, sir. Please, ma'am, sir, hire me as your domestic helper. I promise I can do my my very best to serve your family, ma'am and sir. And I promise you, ma'am and sir, I finish my 2 years contract. Thank you so much, ma'am, sir. God bless you. Have a nice day.